Perfect day again in Concepcion, Rich.
Glass right now.
Except for there seems to be some little cruise ship that we've never seen here before.
That thing is huge.
And they're ferrying people to our island.
It's not cool.
Well, we'll go to our island and then we'll go around the island. How about that?
Soulfire Project. We heard that they were going to be playing at Riverfest.
They can sell more that way.
We're Rich and Robin,
And these are our midlife adventures.
living in and out of our midlife van.
We're back in one of our favorite places, Bahia Concepcion. On this trip, we get to enjoy some great music as well as some great kayaking conditions once again in the bay.
And we've been hearing about this band called Soulfire Project. We heard that they were going to be playing at Riverfest. So we were fortunate that we heard that they were playing at Santa's-Pac. Mulege Brewing was putting on a special little mini concert with Soulfire Project. Mulege Brewing set up, they had a few beers on tap, and then also the Soulfire Project came out and had their bus set up, and there's probably about, like 6 or 7 of them in the band, and
They can sell more that way. Armando's and Mulege Brewing.
Rise up and stand up for your freedom. Rise up for your dignity. Listen to your inside.
they just played a great set, and they just kept going and going. So it was really fun to watch them, see how they all interact together, but more importantly, the quality of the music too.
Robin, what the hell are you doing behind the wheel?
Someone had a little too much
Oh.
cervezas.
Do you know how to drive this beast?
I think I'm handling it okay.
You are. You're on the wrong side of the road.
I can handle it better than I can handle my passenger. He's a handful. He was trying to bring home a dog. The next morning we woke up to a beautiful sunrise and dolphins in the bay. If you're looking out at the bay at the right time, you can see the pod of dolphins that travel across the bay almost every day, around sunrise and around sunset.
Okay, which way you want to head first?
Straight to Coyote Island, where the people from the cruise ship are.
Cruise ship.
Perfect day again in Concepcion, Rich.
Glass right now.
Except for there seems to be some little cruise ship that we've never seen here before.
That thing is huge.
And they're ferrying people to our island.
It's not cool.
Well, we'll go to our island and then we'll go around the island. How about that? This is the first time we've seen a cruise ship in this bay. It was a National Geographic cruise ship holding 100 guests. On this cruise, they only had 60, and they shuttled them all to our favorite little island. Ready? The little rock shelf right there, the little rock ledge on the right above the water.
On one side of the island is a nice beach. On the back side of the island is a jagged, rocky area, which is great to look for fish.
Oh, love them.
Yeah.
Oh,
They're super
18
light. They're
pounds.
18 pounds.
Yes.
And they fold up to just like this.
That's what I was saying. Look at down there. Is that like a sponge?
Yeah, it is.
A giant sponge, huh? But there's a bunch up here, so I don't know if it's sponge. It might be a plant. That's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, what do you think that is?
It's got to be
Looks like a plant, though. That sea spongy stuff.
It's freaky, huh?
Yeah, last year there wasn't all this grass here, but yet by Coco's there was a ton of the grass. Watch your stick. Okay, back to the van for lunch. Let's go, Vamonos.
About 2.5 miles.
Robin, since we've been coming down here, we've heard of this thing called Riverfest that they do in Mulege, but every time we're here, we're never here on the right weekend. Guess what? Today is the day.
Today's the day.
We're gonna go to Riverfest. I think there's like 8 bands. They have beer from Mulege. They have beer from Mulege Brewing. They have beer from San Felipe Brewing, and maybe even Baja Brewery too. So it's and then they have people selling crafts, and they have face painting, Robin. Yeah. But what's cool about it is I think it's 300 pesos each. I'm not sure what that gets, maybe just the entertainment, but even better is all the proceeds go to build a playground in one of the local parks. So that's cool.
Don't talk to her. She can fly like a lie, she can be outdone.
It's like a perfect amount of bubbles.
Hold on, hold on.
Once again, I had to drive the van back to camp, only this time in the dark. In the morning, we headed out for another kayak before we ended this visit at Bahia Concepcion. Little breezy.
Well, not too bad yet.
The gusts stopped for the moment, at least.
Yeah, we'll see what happens when we get around this.
I think the gusts are 12 today. And then the winds are supposed to be picking up. The winds are supposed to be picking up about 10. So we have 1 hour, Rich. Birds. Neat. It's kind of cool over there. Let's see if we got a little beach landing today. Am I gonna knock off my sky?
Knock off mine.
There's a rock right there. There's a rock right there. Let me get out before. Seems like it was a lot longer kayak than our camp.
Seems longer.
Yeah. Took us over a half hour.
3/4 of a mile.
3/4 of a mile?
Yeah. Probably a little bit more than that too, because I was a little delayed turning it on.
Rich exploring over here. The little big rock that slid down the hill. Pretty secure.
Yeah.
It's not going nowhere soon. Till the next earthquake.
Yeah.
And there's Coyote Island beach to go to, except for that it was such a great day that there was a couple of different people out there. We weren't alone. And there's Alburo. And Coyote. Escondida, the No Name Bar. And Coco's around the corner. Such a beautiful spot, Rich. Little islands like this, Rich, another reason why we love Baja.
Yeah, just go exploring around a little bit. A bunch of these little islands are pretty accessible.
Not far from the campgrounds via a kayak. I think you swam here once.
Yeah.
With your snorkel gear with Geo.
Yes.
The first
that
year we were here.
And coming across that little passage there, the current was so bad. I mean, we were kicking as hard as we can and not moving.
Leslie, turn me this way. The colors of the water are so bonita. Now we can just sail back.
I think so. Just sit back and relax. Put my shirt up in the air.
That's right. Sit back, relax, put our sail up and sail back.
Next thing you know, we'll be down in Panama.
Yeah. I thought it was going to be overcast again today.
Fishies down there.
Little fishies.
Bar's not open.
Not yet. Too early. And that ends another great visit to Bahia Concepcion. Thanks for watching.